On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. Okay, so now we're just going to put our dressing on top of our salad. So this is our spicy and sweet dressing that we're going to put on. And then when they're eating it, they're going to get there are all these different flavor combinations. It's really delicious. So we're going to have that as part of our Thai meal, which will be the chicken, the ginger chicken, and the peanut sauce, and our papaya salad. So next we're actually going to saute the chicken and put it on the skewers. So I'm going to move this over to our plate and get that ready. So here's our salad, and we're going to plate it. I have these nice white plates, square plates. Put that in the corner. This I'm going to put the peanut sauce in later, and then we're going to put the chicken satay skewers on the inside, so then they have everything all on one plate.